All right, guys, we are here driving for dollars. All you guys in the school course, I appreciate you guys being here. We're going to show you how to use the deal machine. You do it while you're driving. You do it while you're just door knocking. Do whatever, however you want to use it. But thing is so easy to use. So you go to your app. I got TNT and deal machine here. You just click it, and we'll pull up an address that's nearby. All you got to do is click on the house. And it's got everything here. So for you guys, you want to add lead. And that's it. You're adding it to the list so my cold callers can call it. If you want to be aggressive and call it yourself, you could scroll down and get the phone numbers. This is actually an apartment complex. Let's look at something else. See how you can just zoom down. We're in the Claremont area right now. Let's go right here. So this is a single family house, 4716 Claremont. It tells you how much it's worth. Tells you who the mailing address is. So this looks like a P.O. box in San Diego. You could start your mail campaign here if you want, which is pretty cool. But for you guys, add it. How do you add this one here? Where'd it go? Maybe this one's already added. But it's got everything you need. Estimated cost to repair, which is probably not as accurate as you want. Tax delinquent, no. Tax year, parcel number, year built, square footage. It even has a tab for comps, so it'll pull up all the comps in the area. It's still kind of loading. I got Sprint, so it's kind of slow. But nonetheless, you see the comps there. Let's look at another house on that same street. Boom, boom. This looks like a trust, held in the trust. Here's the phone numbers I was looking for. So it shows you who the phone numbers are and who they belong to. So you could call. This one's on a do not call list. I don't recommend calling that one, but you can call this landline. And you just hit call, and it goes right through your phone. So it's pretty cool.
Hi, you've reached Casey Pocal with First California Funding.
So that one we know is a bad number. So you can go in here. We called this one. Oh, maybe that is her. Her name was McCallum. Sarah. Does she own the place? Yeah. So maybe that was the good number. So I'll call back after this video and leave a message. But that's a simple way of using driving for dollars. You could search some of the cooler features here are searching all these type of filters. Property characteristics, land information, tax information, foreclosure information. This one is my favorite that no one's looking at, rehab and repairs. You could do building quality. And you could push like a D+, right? And now it's going to filter out. It's going to filter out all the homes in the area that have a D rating or less. So this is a shopping center. So it's saying this has a D rating. It's in a trust. No phone number on this one. But we could skip trace it. So that's kind of the coolest feature I saw. You could play around with this. At the end of the day, this deal machine thing keeps you organized, creates lists for you, gives you the ability to send direct mail from there. I highly recommend it for everyone. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Let's get to work.